Please be seated. Prynhawn da Baw, Pat Young Dwi, a croeso cynnes I graddio Prifysgol Caerdydd. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Pat Young, Chair of the Cardiff University's governing body, the University Council, and I want to extend a warm welcome to all of our Cardiff University graduation ceremonies. To our graduands, Llongyfarchiadau, congratulations. Today is all about you, our brilliant class of 2026, as we celebrate the achievements of our students in the School of Law and Politics. While you've been with us, you've learned in partnership with our academics and professional services staff. And on your learning journey, all of you here today have gained a deep understanding of law and its relationship to society, to politics, and to all of our lives. Your school wants you to know that you have the knowledge, talent, and humanity to be a positive force in the world. Now, we live in an age of keyboard warriors and instant experts, but your Cardiff University qualification is evidence to the world of your academic achievement and proof that you are ambitious, passionate, and have a brilliant mind. Embark on the next stage of your journey with all of the confidence that brings. Be brave. Thank you for all that you have brought to your school and to our university. Your school and all of us are incredibly proud of you. For today, your job is to sit back, enjoy the ceremony, and enjoy the moment. To all of your family and friends here today, you are here because you are also proud. So as your loved ones cross the stage, please make sure they notice that you are here. We need lots of loud and enthusiastic applause. This is Cardiff, this is not Swansea, this is not Bristol. Do not hold back. Llongyfarchiadau class of 2026, congratulations. I now have the pleasure of introducing Cynwal ap Myrddin. Cynwal will read the proclamation and a poem by Wales's inaugural national poet, Gwyneth Lewis. Many of you will have encountered Gwyneth's work before in the form of the 6-foot-high words, thought to be the biggest poem in the world, on the front of the Wales Millennium Centre. Gwyneth has been writer-in-residence at the University School of Physics and Astronomy and is now an honorary fellow. The poem, Education, was especially commissioned by Cardiff University.
Addysg, Education, gan Gwyneth Lewis. Beiddia feiddio, gwella dy wneud. Myna geisio, parcha ddweud. Traws newidiad y fydd dy glod, dy ddyfodol mentor o bod. Learning's a passport that returns you home a better person. It permits you to dare being daring, makes you secure with not knowing everything, helps you welcome some failure, forges an alloy with others' thinking. It is a simple delight in mind and its motions, so scintillates but isn't deceptive. Admits the joy of institutes is the open road to everywhere but bigotry. It's the shortens distance between you and me, and if you're lucky, it never ends. Mi fyddai nawr yn darllen y datganiad, yn gynta yn y Gymraeg ac yna yn y Saesneg. I will now read the proclamation, first in Welsh and then in English. Nerth gwlad ei gwybodau. Bydded wybod I holl aelodau y Brifysgol ac ar draws y byd bod cynulliad Prifysgol Caerdydd yn cael ei gynnal heddiw ym Mhrifddinas Cymru. O dan awdurdod Siarter Frenhinol y Brifysgol, mae'r cynulliad hwn yn cyfarfod I dderbyn y myfyrwyr hynny sydd yn rhwynwedd eu hastudiaethau a'i hysgol heictod wedi'w harchwilio'n briodol yn ôl statudau'r Brifysgol ac dyw cael yn deilwng o'i graddau. Dathlwn lwyddiant y rhai sy'n graddio yn y cynulliad hwn, ac wrth wneud hynny, fe'i hatgoffwn o'i cyfrifoldeb I rannu gwerthoedd y Brifysgol hon. Hwy sydd I geisio trwy eu cyflawniadau wasanaethu lles pawb, ymdrechu am yr agoriaeth ym mhob peth a gofalu am ddyfodol ein byd. Parchwch ddoeth uneb, gan ei fod yn cynnig gobaith ac wirionedd ym mhob cenhedlaeth. A nation's strength is in its learning. Let it be known to all members of the university and throughout the world that today, in the capital city of Wales, a congregation of Cardiff University is taking place. Under the authority of the university's Royal Charter, this congregation meets to receive those students who, by virtue of their studies and scholarship, have been appropriately examined according to the statutes of the university and found worthy of their degrees. We celebrate the success of those who graduate in this congregation, and in doing so, remind them of their responsibility to share in the values of this university. It is for them to seek, through their achievements, to serve the common good, to strive for excellence on all things, and care for the future of our world. Be attentive to wisdom, for it offers hope and truth in every generation. Llongyfarchiadau mawr iawn I chi, yr addedigion 2026.
Hello, Shmai. I'm Hanan, your Vice President, International Students at the Cardiff Students' Union this past year. Congratulations, Llongyfarchiadau. It is a privilege to be standing here today celebrating not only your academic achievements, but also the incredible community you have built along the way. Whether you found your place through a job, a club, a society, or your course, these are the friendships that will stay with you for years to come. We know it hasn't been easy to get here. Each of you has faced challenges and overcome obstacles to reach this moment, but you made it, and that is something to be truly proud of. Today is about celebrating every individual journey that brought you here. As you look back at your time at Cardiff, I hope you do so with a strong sense of belonging and pride. For many of you, this was your first time moving away from home, whether from Pontypridd, Portsmouth, or even Peru. Wherever you came from, Cardiff has become a part of your story, and no matter where life takes you next, you will always have a home here. You're not leaving Cardiff with just a degree. You're leaving with life experiences, opportunities, and memories that will last a lifetime. Whether it was pulling all-nighters in the ASSL, late-night YOLOs, or quiet walks and coffee in Butte Park, you made it through. You may or may not know exactly what you're doing next, but as you step into the next chapter, carry with you the resilience you've developed and the memories you've cherished. Face the future with confidence, knowing that you're equipped to take whatever comes your way. For many of you, today marks the end of an era and the beginning of the next chapter of your life, and we wish you all the best. May your care ever be for the good name of our university and the well-being of our world. Llongyfarchiadau, congratulations, class of 2026.
Pnawn da iawn I chi gyd, a very warm welcome to you. Fy enw i'r Athro Damien Wolford-Davies. My name is Professor Damien Wolford-Davies. I am Provost and Deputy Vice-Chancellor at Cardiff University. And I'm delighted to say that my job today is a very, very simple one. It is to warmly welcome all students to receive their award, and I'll say something about that in a moment. That's the part of the ceremony where the students' names are read out by a senior member of the university. Now, I know we've emphasized this before. You should celebrate vocally, make it loud, make it proud, keep the applause going throughout so that it's consistent for everybody who makes the longer than you think journey from that side to that side. But my colleague, Professor Orfan Khalik, was humoring you earlier. I could hear him. I could hear him say that he thought that you were the best that we've had all week. I don't really agree with that. Yeah, well, I think I heard more and better yesterday, watching online. Would you agree with that? You see where I'm going with this. Once all students for each award have crossed the stage and have returned to their seats, they'll be asked to stand, and this is where the magic of the ceremony happens. It's our tradition in Cardiff for me to speak in Welsh at that point to receive the students to their awards at that particular moment. Now, technically, interestingly, students actually get their degrees when the Pro-Vice-Chancellor, Education and Student Experience signs a document back in some university office. But this is the moment of magic. This is the moment where, if you like, the degree is stepped into. The degree is inhabited, and something's in the air. And at that moment, I'll use a Welsh formulation that translates as this. Through the authority conferred upon me by the university, I receive you to your awards with all the privileges this confers. Congratulations. And I will give you a cue, and that cue is really that magic word in Welsh, Llongyfarchiadau. You've heard it a number of times today. Congratulations, Llongyfarchiadau. Trwy'r awdurdod a roddwyd I mi gan y Brifysgol, derbyniaf chi i'ch dyfarniad. A'r holl freintiau a ddaw yn ei sgil, magic word, llongyfarchiadau. Looking forward to it. I now introduce Professor Duncan French, Head of the School of Law and Politics, who will present the students for their awards.
Prynhawn da, croeso bawb. I, Professor Duncan French, introduce those who have received the degree of Bachelor of Laws. Mohammed bin Ghais. Saeed Ariz Abbas. Wahid Ahmed Abdiz Mohammed Abdiz. Mbaka Abdul Rahman. Harry David Adams. Thomas Eli Adams. Oluwatobi Malehu Judea Adubason. Sabia Ahmed. Megan Amber Aitken. Shadea Akhtar. Lucy Akalim. Ahmed Ekad. Elena Vera Akas. Aljuri Abdullah Al-Abdullah. Abdullah Youssef Mustafa Mohammed Al-Hussaini. Amani Mustafa Ali. Basilat Ali. Muhammad Mustafa Ali. Reem Kahilid Ali. Finley Lewis Elker. Georgia Emily Allen. Hamid Mohammed Al-Thani. Raihan Mustafa Al-Tib. Lucia Amieni. Maisha Rui Amin. Jay Hudaya Anand. Connor Anderson. Aaron Aurora. Cameron Ashby. Leah Ashman Penny. Olivia Jasmine Ashworth. Zavara Arwen Shahira Austin. George Louis Alfred Avery. Adlina Masari Azan Haris. Dunaisha Aziz. Himem Baghai. Sazi Balaban. Barnaby James Ballantyne. Holly Christina Elizabeth Ballantyne. Catherine Rose Barron. Lauren Isabella Barras. Rinki Begum. Anwen Seminapa Balcha. Riwa Hibab Bensoud. Tess Elizabeth Bendel Jones. Fionn Abigail Benham. Shamaila Bibi Shah. Iqbal Afghi Rao bin Azri Ranga. Nur Faziana binti Abdul Ghaffar. Marsha Iman binti Adi Fadaz. Safaya Arisa binti Feruz Ikwan. Marsa Amareya Fadli. Johanna Adrin binti Muhammad Ramzi. Nurul Masina binti Muhammad Kamala Karimanzaka. Arisa Ann Phyllis binti Sharul Amirul. Seren Black. Callie Blessett. Hannah Elizabeth Bolton. Ashley Kiki Boone. Emmanuel Borelli. Leo Reese Braddock. Megan Anastasia Bradford. Emma Jane Rita Bradshaw. Olivia Bradshaw. Robin Ellen Braid. Madeline Shan Brereton. Cody Jeanette Mary Bridgman. Thomas James Bright. Charles Anthony Ian Brown. Sam George Brown. Ollie Kenneth Brunt. Elena Normandy Burgess. Labour Butt. Saul John Butterworth. Oliver Thomas Caden. Max Thomas Carmichael. Evie Kate Marie Carroll. Kay Hayden Chalicone. Jodie Ann Chambers. Crystal Vern E. Chan. Hui Yan Chan. Patrick Chandan. Li Xuanshang. Li Ying Xiang. Mohammed Shan Mustafa Shima. Yu Ying Shen. Ashley Wen Shi Chong. Jessie Jia Shi Shi. Min Han Chin. Wei Hao Chin. Hao Seng Chao. Yi Lam Chu. Aidan Wong Jian Zhong. J.G. Ye Chong. Lorraine Man Huyen Chong. Wan Hee Chong. Mary Chung. Margaret Rowan Churchill. James Samuel Clark. Rihanna Terry Clark. Abigail Louise Coffin. Priscilla Ejiro Cole. Aaron William Coleman. Olivia Grace Collins. Alexander Paul Coltus. Elia Colton. Lewis James Condon. Stephen James Conlon. Beth Conlon. Joseph Gabriel Conlon. Anthony David Cook. Isabella Cooper. Saoirse Orla Corbett. Isabel Kirsty Cottrell. Amila Hani Kazubo McCarthy. Finley William Cragen. Zoe Ann Cross. Charles Nima Crudaz. Bess Cunningham. Oliver James William Cunningham. Courtney Page David. Lily Mia Davidson. Shakira Louise Day. Finna Rosemary DeGrief. Paula de la Calva Rodriguez. Amelia Evie Decker. Lara Leigh Dean. Abby Grace Delane. Hannah Molly Derrick. Elia Dahani. Priyakar Dariwal. Gurleen Dillon. Malise Paris Dindsey. Favour Oluwazimore Dia. Charlie Corinne Doman. Madison Grace Donaldson. Poppy Elizabeth Donnan. Oliver Mark Donahue. Lauren May Dredge. Sebastian Ducry. Will Theo Eccles. Poppy Christine Ecclegard Hall. Emily Louise Eckersall. Olivia Edison. Yayan Blade Edwards. Lois Elise Eldred. Salma Madhu Abgulana Al-Shubini. Obey Nathan Emefu. Judith Magdalena Esono Ada. Ella Evans. Fionn Caitlin Evans. Ewan Lyra Evans. Jasmine Sarah Evans. Mariella Sophia Helese Evans. Megan Haff Evans. Timothy David Evans. Henry Douglas Yules. Leanne Bernadette Perez Faverbier. Raja Kayam Fakhruddin. Jessica Louise Falcus Valelli. Danila Binti Fakhruddin. Charlotte Ivy Fenson. Amy Louise Flattery. Madison Flood. Cheyenne Faladi Nashta. Ashley Leanne Francis Anthony. Scarlett Elizabeth Frost. Byrone Megan Gallia Morgan. Yi Hangang. Emily Maria Garcia Cook. Will Edward Gardner. Sophie Jeffreyan. Beth L. Germer. Maylee Glastonbury. Finley Lucas Godridge. Darren Sao Mingo. Jamie Goldworthy. Alistair Goodman. Liani Eve Goodwin Duval. Charles Lindsay Gutkin-Smith. Isabel Valerie Graham. Lily Mae Greatorex. Abigail Green. Avril Megan Greer. Morgan James Grease. Charlotte Gwyneth Armstrong Griffiths. Daniel Thomas Griffiths. Poppy Alice Messingham Grovestock. Millie Kate Grundy. Ashley Nisha Gurusapen Gurusapan. Mirjan Gutman. Fiza Haider. Zibyan Hakim. Amy Elizabeth Hallett. Annabelle Chelsea Halls. Noah Holton. Aya Mohammed Hashim Habib. Luke Joshua Hamer. Amelia Hamilton. Ben Hamilton. Sophie Chloe Hannah Morrison. Kiriaki Anastasia Hanides. Aisha Amara Binti Harris Mukri. Caitlin Francis Harley. Ellen Maya Harris. John Anthony Harrington. Jessica Rose Harris. Isabel Blue Hart. Kamwa Mohammed Hassan. Etha Eltaged Mohammed Hassan. Ayu Haran Hassan. Gabriel William John Hayes. Daniel King Yi Hee. Annie Louise Henman. Alice Alexandra Hennings. Tia Lily Henrietti. Amelia Jane Hickey. Brendan Elijah Hildebrand. Lucy Victoria Hill. Thomas Leighton Hill. Millie Hines. Evie Mae Grace Hitt. Yi-Yan Abiho. Matilda Florence Hobbs. Rian Morgan Holloway. Min Ru Hung. Rachel Chloe Hilderson Smith. Amultala Sahad Hussein Saifuddin. India Marie Hussey. Aksa Iftikhar. Alexander Ignatius. Kian Richard Christopher Isles. Hamna Elias. Chloe Louise Ince. Cynthia Mathoni Irungu. Shona Irvin. Keris Rian Isaac. Ngozi Geraldine Ezedonu. Louise Jacoba. Alana Holly Jacobs. Byrony Elizabeth Ann Jameson. Isham Ramzan Jan. Hasha Kaur Jaspinder Singh. Alicia Lily Jean. Taranya Gita. Latika Jivagran. Henry Edward Jeffrey. Amelia Jane Jenkins. Gabriella Jezavusi. Alice Maria Jeans. Sophia Fatima Shia Binti Jahari. Benita Leigh John. Nia May John. Brianna May Leslie Jones. Chloe Jones. Freya Rhiannon Jones. Gracie Ella Jones. Guto Wynne Jones. Holly Rose Jones. Mia Olivia Jones. Owain Dylan Jones. Sarah Lenawa Jones. Precious Chini Georgie. Go Kaiju. Ashilani Juengo. Ezin Carr. Sharia Kamath. Alexandra Elizabeth Kane. Davindu Teresa Kananagra. Premraj Katharatan. Jingyi Kim. Brodie Leith Keenan. Grace Rachel Kelly. Isabella Keneally. Gia Kaur Kahira. Ethan Hal Khan. Hajra Naz Khan. Hala Khan. Hasib Sultan Khan. Tayyiba Khan. Mohammed Hamza Khan. Abdul Rahim Kakar. Sarah Kiendovic. Nikal Vajan Kirapakaran. James William Knight. Alea Sky Knight Bloom. Harvey Meredith Knowles. Alison Coe. Ifi Oluwadulapa Kola Odo. Priyanka Sanum Komu. Veronica Contlasta. Gladiola Kraja. Victoria Margodotsa Kravets. Rama Krishnan. Luca Christensen. Kainri Singh Kular. Prakash Kumar. Sanuja Kunasakaran. Waishan Wilson Kwan. Rakeel Shreya Selina Lakra. Millie Joyce Lambert Lyle. Bethany J. Crystal Lane. Anharad Flair Langford Hughes. Lucy Annabella Langley. Jane Lindsay Ophelia Lindsay Laugh. Mandeep Lathair. Si Ying Lau. Yi Wen Li. Jingsheng Li. Kaylin Xing Li. Natalie Wen Li. Alice Amelia Lesmere. Chloe Janet Lewis. Daniel Anthony Lewis. Ong Ling Lee. Hui Woon Lee. Jiel Yi Ling. Kristen Chung Ming Lim. Xin Yi Yi Lim. Chloe Lim Yuan Bie. Yan Yi Ling. Callum Andrew Linton. Nuala Rose Lixton. Lily Alice Llewellyn. Faith Nia Longeran. Wong Wei Lu. Jessica Jane Lord. Gray Liu Lu. Oscar David Keith Lau. Tobias Richard Lungley. Poppy Gemma Luxton. Nur Iz Wildana Noor Azman. Thomas Patrick Madden. Iman Malik. Aish Malik. Megan Emily Maltby. Kirandeep Karman. Marley Un. Claudia Susan Marks. Dominic James Martin. Harriet Mary Masterman. Emma Maria Matthew. Hashana Matthew Outland. Jessica Faith Maxwell. Alea Madar. Dennis Maldarak. Joe Mwaki Rumbuga. Matthew Harrison McHale. Rhoda Grace McLennan. Lucy Emma McGregor. Ross McLean Anderson. Abigail McManus. Isabella McNulty. Luca Roberto Mestral Mitchell. Uljana Mehta. Jared McKelly. Lucy Carris Middleditch. James William Milburn. Giselle Julia Miller da Silva. Ellie G. Mills Virgin. Matilda Elizabeth Milner. Kimmy Zara Mystery. Ella Mitchell. Anthony Obina Nemeka Mugbu. Malia Moghal. Tiara Afrina binti Mohammed Sahami. Yi Yung Chung Muk. Alexander Harry Moody. Ella Rose Milring. Pedro Goher Morales. Bronia Lucy Morgan. Olivia James Moss. Torinoshi Mugwez. Longtung Wee. Rohan Manikadan Murali. Megan Louise Murtagh. Lynn Zaidi Musi. Gloria Rose Charles Mushi. Jude Swalem. Nelly Abina Abdul Mustafa. Rana Namanutala. Katamba Emmanuel Mutabi. Munyoki Mumiva Mumvemda. Tio Wee Nam. Joshua Nash. Nur Iman Natismi Amri. Tanya Maguri Nundati. Ella Cloris Nudabi. Evelyn Chung Sing Ne. Wei Wing Nao. Ralph John Montague Neville. Hui Yaning. Yung Xin. Madeline Emily Jane Nichol. Shane Paul Nichols. Nisa Nurimon. Davina Nisha. Awenti Natalie Nuama Mayanya. Hao Ying Yao. Liam Robert O'Brien. Jin Shenu. Yi Wenwu. Abby Lynn O'Keefe. Sasha Ellen Altman. Abdallah Mohammed Omar. Denise Omer. Oganimi Omunisa. Nicole C. Xuanong. Xu Fengong. Marcus Enduito Umbasa Osondo. Eva Rosalie Osborne. Maya Elizabetha Ozshed-Livets. Jessica Yumi Osman. Zoe Angeline Ovens. Arya Pal. Vishnushri Palanisimi Samathra Lakshmi. Rachel Jill Parfitt. Terrell Tesfa Taylor Pargita. Catherine Joanna Parkins. Amira Patel. Meghashita Patel. Jack Edward Cruikshank Pawson. Chloe Elizabeth Coyi Pearson. Paris Pierce. Ivanka Pereira. Honor Beatrice Olivia Perry. Edward Joseph Pettifer. Kieran Lee Pike. Lucy Jane Pilabello. Imogen Charlotte Pinder. Catherine Elizabeth Jane Poole. Charlotte Lily Popkin. Karana Pudal. Molly Elizabeth Povey. Holly Bethan Powell. Ocean James Aaron Powell. Tejas Prejaran. Ewan James Price. Abigail Elizabeth Pryor. Lee Robert Anton Puna. Kristen James Perkis. Lana Louise Quinlan. Amanda Lorena Quinn. Faiza Karasi. Saif Sultan Yassin Rafiq. Faizan Karam Rahman. Hitas Berry. Deshna Raj. Ria Raju. Yafika Virendra Rajput. Rosie Lillian Randall. Isabel Daisy Ratcliffe. Rathrani Ratchivavadan. Jacob Reynolds. Mia Louise Reynolds. Charlotte Grace Richards. Jaden James Richards. Saeed Kaiser Rizzi. Nia Robinson. Ben Roadhouse. Charlie May Rogers. Liam Cameron Rogers. Siti Maidva Billy Rosley. Ivor Edward William Ross. Anissa Rotolo. Chloe Diane Rowland Hill. Janita Rosario. Anya Olivia Rudge. Daisy Russell. Tilly Mae Russell. Faye Marisa Rustel. Mohammed Hadi Sajad. Karis Salter. Devon Jensen Samuel. Georgia Eve Sanderson. Charmin Sarah. Manindavit Kar Sanjavit Singh. Melissa Savikakar. Ethan E. Shenshaw. Scarlett Samara Sawyers. Ronan David Hayden Scarlett. Lucia Silgaria. Fiona Maggie Scars Keenan. Priyanka Sipal. Amanda Jane Seagren. Anisha Kara Sekal. Samantha E. Sean Chow. Mikesh Sevaraja. Ruby Joanne Sev. Labour Sheffier. Elisa Shah. Zara Fahad Shah. Mohammed Shamil. Ibrahim Maharid Sharif. Alison Sheikh. Kelling Shemi. Sparsa Suraj Shetty. Joseph Philly Shirley. John Lei Xiangji. Zhu Shensim. Yi Yu Sim. Charlie Peter Singh. Gabriella Victoria Nicole Singleton. Fatima Satiq. Akhil Sivam. Kathiga Sivanis. Basaraj Sivaraj. Kirabasini Sivaraja. Aaron Royslade. Grace Isabel Selena Smith. Jessica Christine Smith. Jocelyn Emily Smith. Rebecca Charlotte Smith. Sophie Victoria Smith. George James Smythe. Rebecca Eleanor Rose Snell. Rowan Alexander Snell. Bethany Keller Suleiman. Alexandrina Solomon. Seshvin Roy Sikumar. Irina Maria Statuscu. Ellie Lauren Stokes. Isabel Francis Stones. Lola May Stranks. Wei Lang Swen. Harveen Kaur Sukhdeo Singh. Yong Shang Sun. Charlie Swanston. Sharifa Amina Binti Saeed Jahar. Bisma Tahir. Malak Mohammed Al-Lawati. Awais Zulfikarini Tai. Tamshi Ying. Celeste Fei Singh Tam. Hao Shaitan. Kei Ting Tan. Pei Shuang Tan. Xin Yin Tan. Su Lin Tan. Yong Hia Tan. Zi Yi Tan. Joshua Reynal Tano. Layla Farihiz Tariq. Florence Olivia Taylor. John Sonti. Wei Kwei Ti. Samantha Kui Ying Tao. Madeline Enning Ling Tay. Phoebe Christina Terry. Sophia Alexia Testafi. Anushka Arun Aran Sakur. Gauri Nanand Reddy Tripendi. Kai Lewis Thomas. Catherine Meyer Thomas. Isabella Audrey Thomas. Ewan Bannon Thomas. Jasmine Marie Thomas. Leah Sarah Ann Thomas. Reese David Mansell Thomas. Sinead Thomas. Kate Thornton. Amelia Katie Jane Trimble. Alexandra Rosa Tomasoni. Minette Elizabeth Tombleson. Megan Ellen Tops. Rena Kawatovi. Thomas Olivia Trelua. Emily Isabel Tremelin. Emily Rebecca Trowbridge. Elizabeth Florence Turner. Leah Savannah Turner. Laura Philippa Rachel Twiddy. Charlotte Elizabeth Somerville Tyler. Salvador Marcus Uncles. Evie Ann Upton. Shanali Invari Urala Gamadji. Emily Jane Penelope Valley. Caleb James Veal. Molly Grace Venables. Milani Verna. Siram Vinakarekratan. Isabella Votadora. Joshua Edward Bodo Wall. Billy Ray Wallace. Liam Walsh. Nima Neme Akala Wadaba. Stephen Peter Wang Hongjae. Erin Margaret Warren. Jack Samuel Warwick. Evie Nicole Watkins. Isabel Amy Watkins. Rebecca Watson. George Peter Wheel. Holly Alexandra Weaver. Joya Alice Kiara Webb. Sia Shu Wei. Sarah Weimer Werrell. Scarlett Flair Whelan. Alicia Jane White. Kimberly Lou Whitehouse. Dinethra Athala Wishanathi. Jessica Sarah Wilkinson. Ashton Carter James Williams. Begu Mai Williams. Angeli Yi Willie Morgan. Lily Mae Wilson. Mitchell Lee Winter. Gwen Witherston. Kei Hai Wong. Coco Wong. Win Wen Wong. Eve Lee Rose White. Oscar Alexander Wyatt. Maybon Wing Coyle. Sophie Xiao. Tai Jing Kang. Makili Dav. Isabel Shu Enyap. Florence Grace Yarrow. Ying Ying Phoebe Yao. Tan Yin Shen. Gan Xing Ying. Denisha Yogovan. Victor Mihailov Yordanov. Elisa Zain Binti Mohammed Zulkaris. Hannah Zaman.
Diolch yn fawr iawn. Diolch yn fawr iawn. I, Professor Damien Walford-Davies, introduce one who has received a posthumous Bachelor of Laws. Winifred Catherine Major. Winnie joined Cardiff University in September 2023, having chosen to study law in the School of Law and Politics, having fallen in love with the subject at A-level. She was due to graduate today. Winnie was a remarkable young woman whose academic ability and passion shone out in her classes and tutorials. She was determined to become a barrister. Indeed, Winnie had set her sights on becoming a KC, King's Counsel. She had a passion for human rights law, and we have no doubt that she would have forged a legal career in which she would have left a mark, and that she would have supported many people in need of legal assistance. Fiercely intelligent, Winnie also displayed an emotional intelligence far beyond her years. In the words of her family, Winnie was quirky, kind, intelligent, funny, selfless, and fiercely determined. She was passionate and always outspoken on issues of equality and diversity. She never judged anyone other than on their words and on their actions. Winnie's creative side was nurtured through her contribution to the student community, through her presidency of the Students' Sustainable Fashion Society. Winnie gained 3 first-class marks in her first year. Perhaps not surprisingly, given her passion for fairness, Winnie also gained a first-class mark in the Miscarriages of Justice assessment that she was able to complete in her second year while undergoing months of intensive treatment. She was midway through her law degree when she became unwell and fought hard to continue with her second year. Winnie was an example to all in respect of her remarkable positivity and a commitment to her studies that never wavered throughout this time. Nor did she ever complain throughout that journey, nor did she ever feel sorry for herself. Tragically, Winnie died on the 22nd of April, 2025. Winnie's family are with us today to celebrate and honor her academic achievements, and we are so glad that you are here. Winnie was an inspirational student, and today the university is proud to recognize her determination and her exemplary academic record with the award of a posthumous degree. Diolch yn fawr iawn. A wnaeth y rhai sydd newydd groesi'r llwyfan sefyll os gwelwch yn dda. Would all the students who have just crossed the stage please stand if you're able to? Trwy'r awdurdod a roddwyd i mi gan y Brifysgol, derbyniad chi i'ch dyfarniad a'r holl freintiau a ddaw yn ei sgil. Congratulations. Llongyfarchiadau. A little bit more. Diolch yn fawr iawn.
Prynhawn da bawb, good afternoon everyone. Keith Bush ydw I, a dwi'n gymrawd cyfraith Cymru yng nghanolfan Llywodraethiant Cymru. Mae'n bleser gennyf gyflwyno ein siaradwr alumnus, Andrew Hick. I'm Keith Bush, and I'm a fellow in Welsh law in the Wales Governance Centre. And I'm pleased to introduce our alumnus speaker, Andrew Hick. Andrew is a graduate of Cardiff School of Law and Politics. He is Director of Executive Search and Coaching at Cavendish Hawke, specialising in board-level appointments across a wide range of sectors. A qualified psychometrician and executive coach, Andrew has built extensive experience supporting individuals and organisations at the highest level, including advising UK government departments. He is also a strong advocate for diversity in leadership and has contributed to programmes supporting women into board roles. Mae'n bleser gennym groesawu Andrew heddiw I rannu rhai geiriau llongyfarchiadol gyda chi. We are pleased to welcome Andrew today to share some congratulatory words with you.
Prihwn da, good afternoon, Deputy Vice-Chancellor, faculty, families, but most importantly, all of you sitting in front of me here today. Congratulations, today is your day. You will hear some common themes throughout this day, and I can promise you none of us have colluded on the words that we speak. And I appreciate that some of you will leave here today with a career plan and a life map. Some of you will not. Regardless, many of you may be feeling uncertain about the future and what it holds for you. But I say, don't be fearful. People have gone before you just in this way. My message to you is clear. Be excited. Capture some of the excitement that I have heard here today. I read law at Cardiff and I went on to Guildford Law School, but my career and my life did not take the linear path I had set out for myself when I was in Cardiff. Working as a headhunter, a psychometrician, and an executive coach, I have interviewed, assessed, and coached hundreds of boards and executives across, business leaders across this country and beyond. I've advised, as my esteemed colleague here has just said, the managing partners and GCs of extraordinary organisations like Slaughter and May, Goldman Sachs, to name just two, and government ministers. I have heard their concerns and the challenges that they face, and I have gained a reasonable understanding of what success means and what has caused their success, and sometimes where they have failed as well, at both an individual and an organisational board level. I also understand what brings many of them joy. What I have witnessed is several things. Linear career and life paths do sometimes work out, but many do not. And the unexpected journey can bring the greatest success and the greatest joy. So open yourselves to the possibility of change in your life, as I'm sure your parents and grandparents here today have also advised you. Embrace the adventure ahead of you. I have witnessed that the success of the best boards and leaders is also fueled by their openness to experience and their emotional intelligence, their EQ. I would say that my own EQ was developed here or recognised here when I was at Cardiff. I'm 100% deaf in one ear, and I discovered, most particularly whilst drinking in the Woody, as I'm sure many of you have, that whilst I couldn't always follow a conversation orally, I could read what people were saying in terms of I had the ability to read people. I didn't always respond to what they were saying, but I responded to what they were thinking. Now that's a dangerous game, and obviously it got me into trouble on a couple of occasions. But the point is that read people, listen carefully. I realized, and I have realized for many years now, that IQ and technical ability are often threshold skills to success. The real differentiator can be EQ, the ability to build relationships and to read the room. It is a skill which has given me a career and which I know that my clients have commented favorably upon as a differentiator. Today, you graduate with some measure of your intellect. So my advice to you now is to develop your EQ. Watch others and try to ascertain what is going on for them. Listen actively, because in a room full of similarly clever people, the differentiator for you, when AI in a digital age and technology can process faster than any of you, will be your people leadership skills. It will be your creativity. It will be your humanity that will differentiate you. So hold on to that. So go out and explore the world. Be curious. Be open to experience and to the people who are different to you. Never stop learning. When thinking about today, I reflected that law and politics might be said to ask the same enduring question: how should we live together? Both subjects require judgment. Both subjects require courage. And both subjects, when practiced with integrity, can widen the reach of justice and strengthen democratic life. And both might seem under threat today from bad actors globally or from technology. How might you navigate this world and create the life you want? The answer will in part be provided by your openness to the adventure ahead of you, and it is an adventure. Your ability to think critically and to respond to your fellow man. Reading law or politics should have given you these abilities. Hold on to them. Hold on to each other and build this career or life that you want. It is your duty, I believe, to share your learning as well. So do so with courage. As today is Bastille Day, I would encourage you to storm the metaphorical barricades that society and technology will throw up for you, inevitably, as they have done for every generation before us, and create the world and the life you want, whilst remaining considerate of others. A university education is a privilege, and privilege demands responsibility. So congratulations, best wishes. You have exciting lives ahead of you. Go and grasp them. Do this for yourselves. Do this for your families. Do this for Winnie, who I've heard about today. Good luck. Pobluk.
Thank you. Thank you, Andrew. A lot to take in there in the age of AI. People leadership, humanity, and listening skills will be the keys to success. Don't be fearful. Be excited. Embrace the journey, because the unexpected journey can be the greatest success, can bring the greatest success and joy. I think there are wise words to take as you leave this place. I myself am a Cardiff University graduate. I graduated in 1987 with a degree in mining geology, and I spent my entire career in the media. Go on the unexpected journey. It can bring you joy. So, Clongafraciadau, congratulations to the class of 2026. You are now part of the Cardiff University alumni community. Thank you. Cardiff alumni come in many forms. Some are great global citizens, some are activists and have high profiles. Others are quiet, solid contributors to their communities. Cardiff has given all of us as alumni more than just a degree. You've been encouraged to ask questions and challenge conventional wisdom. You've shown a willingness, determination and spirit, which are the hallmarks of a Cardiff University graduate. For some of you, today will be tinged with sadness as you say goodbye to Cardiff, this vibrant, colourful and diverse city that has been the backdrop to your journey through university. But Cardiff University will always be your university. And as our alumni community, we want you back here often to tell us how you're doing. This Friday night, nearly 1,000 alumni will be here in Cardiff for our first ever big reunion weekend, reconnecting and reflecting on how Cardiff has helped shape their lives and built their friendships. Next year, this time next year, I hope to see many of the class of 2026 join in that reunion, and the invitation is open. Wherever life takes you, we hope that you will be a flag bearer for our university and carry forward our values of kindness and generosity of spirit. The Welsh word hiraeth is made for moments like this. It conveys a sense of place, of longing, of love, and of memories. And we hope you'll keep hiraeth in your hearts for Cardiff University. Now, before we close the ceremony, there is one last Cardiff University tradition we need to uphold. Whilst today has been all about your achievement, it isn't something that you have done on your own. You have been supported by your friends, your families, your supporters, your academics, all these people who've helped you throughout your degrees. So can I ask our new graduates to stand if they are able? Now, your family and supporters gave the most impressive support to you as you came across the stage. I heard a few, that's my daughter, that's my sister, a bit of woo-woo-wooing. It was all going down. Now is your turn to say thank you to them on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Stay standing, please. Earlier on, I said we are Cardiff University. We are not Swansea. We are not Bristol. We want to show our friends, families, and supporters thanks for everything they've done for us. So can we hear it now? On 3. 1, 2, 3. Thank you. Please be seated. You knew you had it in you. Thank you all. They couldn't have done it without you, and we all recognise that. Now, to close our celebrations, here is a film welcoming you to our Cardiff University alumni family. And at the end of the film, will you please stand as the platform party leaves and the ceremony draws to a close. Feel free to dance, clap your hands. Thank you for joining us today. And once again, Clogwrachiadau, congratulations to the class of 2026. Well done.
Take a look around you. Be welwch chi. What do you see? Today we take stock of everything we've achieved and say thank you to those who always believed. So scroll through memories, cymryd selfies gyda'r besties, and stand up straight for the photographer. Say cheese. Today we remember how we got this far. The late nights and bright lights, and moments we didn't do as well as we might. Pob dyddiad cau, dyfal barhau, o weithio'n galed i'r dathliadau. Today we're rewarded for all the hard work that started way back with the first steps we took. Dropped at Talabont, yng Nghennydd, Aberdare or Aberconwy, I ganol y freshers, heb wybod lle I fynd, heb nabod bob un, nes canfod ffrindiau oes yn neidiau hoff cytun. First dates.
Soulmates.
I'm gonna start crying at this rate. Today we're part of something that's hard to describe. The new class of an old tribe. A tradition that'll be there our whole lives, a network that continues to help us thrive. Years from now, we'll see someone with a badge on their tie or hear people on a bus shouting,
Cheers, drive.
and we'll remember where we came from, where we came into our own, where we made our mark. Canfod Cartref, where we found a home. Today we make noise like it's the varsity game and count ourselves lucky we found people with the same interests, hobbies, byd o hiwmor nes bod ni'n ffoli, people who tried to shelter us with broken brollies, people who helped us find our limits and push them out the way, people who helped us get to this point.
On this day,
Today is a day we mark everything we've shared, a day we tell people just how much we cared, that they were always there, even when they couldn't be. Roedden ni'n gwybod y deiau eto hael ar fryn for all the long hours we've had to put in. We still had those nights that went right through till dawn, and days we dug deeper than ever before. So here's to those late night revisers and early risers, to sunny days that passed by in Butte Park, to that special someone who gave us that special spark and helped us to grow, to transform, to dream. Today's for that someone we're proud to have at our team. What happens tomorrow is whatever you choose. Go make news or break news, but absolutely refuse to be told that can't be done, because we've only just begun to make records and break records and make history and break history and say,
Dyma fy myd I. This is the world I want to see.
10,
20,
30,
40.
years from now, you'll look back on today and realise you've been by your side the whole way. But right now, right here, let's savour the moment and say, Llongyfarchiadau, congratulations. Let's get the celebrations underway. Take a moment. Look around you. Be welwch chi? What do you see? We're Cardiff University. Croeso, welcome to your alumni community.